Hello, darkness, my old friend. I'm the gratitude. I'd like to change my point of view. I feel so lonely, I'm waiting for you, but nothing ever happens. And I wonder how, I wonder why.